This is the part nobody told me. Nobody told me the reason most people stay stuck isn't because they're lazy or unmotivated. It's because they're trying to rebuild their entire life with no blueprint and no real direction. Maybe you're a mom holding everything together, a dad carrying the pressure of providing, a single parent doing it all, a college student trying to break the cycle, or someone who lies awake at night thinking, there has to be more for my life than this. And deep down, you know you're meant for more, but you're tired. Tired of surviving. Tired of starting over. Tired of watching everyone else build lives of freedom while you feel stuck in a loop. I get it, because I've lived it. As a wife, mom, and grandmother, I spent years showing up for everyone else and putting my own dreams on the back burner. I didn't have tech skills. I didn't have confidence. I didn't even have the money up front. I used a payment plan to start. What I did have was a quiet belief that my life was meant for more peace, more time, more freedom, and less struggle. Nobody tells you how heavy it feels to want more while juggling work, responsibilities, kids, family, bills, and pretending you're fine. Here's the truth nobody told me. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're not the problem. You just haven't been shown a simple path yet. Everything changed for me when I learned how to build a real brand and plug into simple digital systems that work for everyday people. Not influencers, not tech experts, not people with a big audience. Real people. People like you and me. People who are tired of surviving and ready to step into digital freedom. The Ultimate Branding course gives you exactly that. A clear, beginner-friendly blueprint that shows you how to build a brand people trust, create content that actually lands, and use systems that support your soft life era. And because this opportunity is global, UBC is available in 5 languages: English, Spanish, French, German, and Portuguese, so you can learn, grow, and even share it with others anywhere in the world. It realistically pays for itself with one sale, and you earn 85% every time you share it using its built-in online system. UBC isn't just knowledge, it's direction, it's clarity, it's confidence. It's the missing piece. For the dad who feels replaceable, for the mom who's tired of doing everything alone, for the single parent who needs a backup plan, for the student who wants a different future, for the retiree who knows they're not done yet, for the woman or man who refuses to settle for a life that drains them. This is your moment. You've doubted yourself long enough. Tap Join now and comment ready when you feel your new beginning calling you.